Welcome to our channel, where we help people to take control of their financial future. In today's video, we're diving into the essential topic of emergency funds and their significance in financial planning. Have you ever found yourself in a tight spot due to unexpected expenses? If so, you're not alone. We'll explore the purpose of having an emergency fund and how it can serve as a financial safety net during challenging times. Viewers can expect to learn practical tips on how to build and maintain an emergency fund, as well as the ideal amount to aim for. We'll also discuss the importance of having this financial cushion to ensure your peace of mind and security. Common financial emergencies, such as medical bills, car repairs, or sudden job loss, can catch anyone off guard. By the end of this video, you'll understand why an emergency fund is not just a luxury, but a necessity for a stable financial future. What is an emergency fund? An emergency fund is a dedicated savings account designed to cover unexpected expenses that can arise in life. Its primary purpose is to provide financial security during unforeseen circumstances, ensuring you don't have to rely on credit cards or loans when emergencies strike. This fund typically covers essential expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, home maintenance, or even temporary loss of income. It's crucial to distinguish between general savings and an emergency fund. While savings can be used for planned purchases or investments, an emergency fund is specifically reserved for urgent situations. Having this financial buffer allows you to navigate confidently, reducing stress, and helping you maintain your overall financial health. By understanding the role of an emergency fund, you can better prepare for the unexpected and safeguard your financial future. Why you need an emergency fund? Having an emergency fund is essential for several compelling reasons. First and foremost, knowing that you are financially prepared for life's unexpected twists and turns provides peace of mind. This sense of security can significantly reduce stress and anxiety, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your life. Additionally, an emergency fund acts as a buffer against debt accumulation. When unexpected expenses arise, such as medical emergencies or urgent home repairs, having funds readily available means you won't have to rely on credit cards or loans, which can lead to high-interest debt. Statistics show that nearly 60% of Americans face unexpected expenses yearly, with an average cost of around $1,000. Without an emergency fund, these costs can derail your financial stability, making it crucial to prioritize building this safety net for a more secure future. How much should you save? Determining the appropriate amount for your emergency fund can feel overwhelming, but a general rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This range provides a solid cushion to cover essential costs during unexpected situations. However, assessing your financial situation is important to find what works best for you. Consider factors such as your monthly expenses, income stability, and any dependents you may have. For instance, if you work in a volatile industry or are self-employed, you might want to lean towards the higher end of that range. Additionally, think about your health and any potential emergencies that could arise. By evaluating these factors, you can tailor your emergency fund to meet your unique needs, ensuring you're well prepared for whatever life throws your way. Where to keep your emergency fund? When it comes to storing your emergency fund, choosing the right account is crucial for easy access and growth. High-yield savings accounts are an excellent option, as they typically offer better interest rates than traditional savings accounts while still providing the liquidity you need. This means your money can grow while remaining readily available for emergencies. Accessibility is key. You want to ensure you can quickly access your funds without penalties or delays. Avoid keeping your emergency fund in risky investments, such as stocks or mutual funds, as these can fluctuate in value and may not be easily accessible when you need them most. Instead, focus on secure options that prioritize both safety and liquidity. By selecting the right place for your emergency fund, you can ensure that you're prepared for unexpected expenses while also allowing your savings to grow. How to build your emergency fund. Building your emergency fund doesn't have to be overwhelming. It can be a gradual process. Start by setting a monthly savings goal that aligns with your financial situation. Even a small amount can add up over time, so choose a manageable figure. To make saving easier, consider automating your savings. Set up a direct transfer from your checking account to your emergency fund each month so you won't have to think about it. This way, saving becomes a seamless part of your financial routine. Additionally, closely examine your budget and identify any unnecessary expenses you can cut. Whether it's dining out less or canceling unused subscriptions, redirecting those funds into your emergency savings can significantly boost your progress. By following these practical steps, you'll be well on your way to building a robust emergency fund that provides peace of mind and financial security. Maintaining your emergency fund. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your emergency fund is crucial to meet your evolving needs. It's a good practice to reassess your fund at least once a year. Life changes, such as a new job, marriage, or the addition of dependents, can significantly impact the amount you need to save. For instance, if your monthly expenses increase due to a new home or family, you may need to adjust your savings goal accordingly. Additionally, if you ever have to dip into your emergency fund for unexpected expenses, remember to replenish it as soon as possible. This ensures that you're always prepared for future emergencies. By staying proactive and regularly evaluating your emergency fund, you can maintain financial security and peace of mind, knowing that you have the right amount for whatever life throws your way. In summary, having and building an emergency fund is a vital component of sound financial planning. It provides a safety net during unexpected situations, allowing you to navigate life's challenges with confidence and peace of mind. By setting a monthly savings goal, automating your contributions, and regularly reassessing your needs, you can create a robust fund that protects your financial future. Remember, the sense of security that comes from being financially prepared is invaluable. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on personal finance. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who could benefit from learning about emergency funds. Together, we can help everyone achieve greater financial stability and peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.